In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot's new AI meeting note takers. This is a fantastic feature, especially if you're someone who wants to streamline the process of organizing and tracking your calls and meetings more effectively. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open up HubSpot and make sure you're logged into your account. This might sound obvious, but it's always a good start to ensure you're in the right place. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see the Settings button. Go ahead and click on that. The Settings area of HubSpot is where you can manage many of your features, so it's helpful to become familiar with this section. Following that, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side. Look for the option that says Tools. Take a moment to click on it, which will then give you access to a variety of configurations. From there, select Calling. This section is your hub for managing all things related to calls within HubSpot. Now, it's time to set up your calls, so click on Call Setup. This is a pivotal step because it allows you to tailor the calling feature to suit your needs. After clicking on that option, you'll be presented with Call Configuration. This is where you can adjust how your calls are handled within HubSpot, which is crucial for optimizing your workflow. Once you're in the call configuration settings, you'll have a number of features you can enable. Let's walk through a few important ones. Firstly, enable the Place Calls using HubSpot calling feature. This will allow you to conduct your calls through HubSpot directly, which means everything is centralized and easier to manage. Another useful feature to enable is Track Call and Meeting Types. This ensures that all your interactions are categorized, making it simpler to review and analyze them later on. By keeping track of call types, you can gain insights into your communication patterns and client interactions. Lastly, make sure to check Make Call Outcome Required. What this does is ensure that after each call, you're prompted to document the outcome. This might seem like a small step, but it's incredibly beneficial for maintaining accurate records and keeping everyone on the same page. And there you have it. With these settings in place, you're all set to make the most of HubSpot's new AI meeting note takers. By following these steps, you'll improve the efficiency and accuracy of your call management. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helps you seamlessly integrate this great tool into your workflow. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments, and I'll be happy to help.